Thank you, God. Thank you, Sarah. Oh my God.
Shark! Yo, just kidding.
Stop it! You stinker! You stinker! There's a big gold dolphin on this thing. Yes, it is! Yes, it is! Yes, it is! Bring it! Bring it! Yes!
Yeah, my friend!
Do it!
We ain't caught the fish yet, yo.
Come on, you got this!
We haven't got him yet.
Come on! Oh my God. That's right, you tell him. Big Dorado.
Oh, ese te mete con lío, ¿verdad?
On the 50, watch that thumb now, good job.
Yeah, we're just trying to get to the right. It looks like there's a lot on the left-hand side.
Excuse me, yes you do. Keep after it. Tight, tight, tight. Keep your line tight. So said William. William. Tight, tight, tight. Keep your line tight. Yes. You got this, hon. Technique.
Tengo Dorado, niña. Está viendo la isla grande. Está bonitilla, la juega, ya la juega.
Vamos a wind in the rock.
Vamos a ver si por eso va a ser igual.
Do you have a problem, hon?
Still, mate.
All right, it's a big fish. Just stay with it. Keep it tight. Just stay with it.
Vamos a la puerta ahí.
Alright, my friend, the captain's going in the back. The real time, please.
He's backing down. Go for it.
Good.
Go for it. Keep after it. Keep after it. Tight, tight, tight.
Fast as I can, man. So used to throwing here.
Keep after it. Good job, Antonio. Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Pretty fish.
Sorry.
Big pull. Come the other way, there, dude.
Keep after it. Keep after it.
Still, mate.
Keep after it. Keep after it.
Dorado.
No, yo lo vieron, digo.
Keep after it.
He's still swimming with the boat.
Ah!
Yes, buddy. Right. He's swimming with the boat.
Keep it tight. Tight, tight.
Yeah. Oh, he's
Definitely hooked, but keep it tight. Waiting for it to jump. Oh, it's coming.
Yeah.
Keep it coming. It's coming. Yes. Stay with it. I see the leader. Come on, I see the leader. I see the leader. Here comes. Oh, he's all pretty. He's all pretty. Come on, jump. Jump for us.
Oh, they're
Keep after it. Keep after it.
He's swimming with the boat.
Keep after it.
So funny.
Oh my God, it's big! It's big! Come on! Oh my God, he's huge, honey. He's big.